Hello students, hope you are doing well. In this session, we will learn the data interpretation based on pie charts. Now look at this set here, two pie charts are given. Now the pie charts given below show the runs scored by Akhil and Bhaskar in IPL. There are 4 seasons in IPL and the graphs show the scores of those two players in 3 seasons. Now the total score of Akhil is 1800 in these 3 seasons. The 3 seasons are the first season 36%, second season 40 and third season it is at 24%. The values are given in percentages. So total sum of all these percentages is 100. So 100% is equal to 1800. What is the 1% value? 1% is equal to 1800 by 100 results 18. Similarly, if you observe the second pie chart, the values given here are in degrees. Sum of all these degrees is 360. What is the total score of the Bhaskar? 2160. Now 2160 when divided with 360, the result is 6. It means 1 degree value is 6. Based on this information, now look at the question. If we include the runs scored by Akhil in season 4 of IPL, then the percentage of the runs scored by Akhil in the season 1 will be 27%. Then find the number of runs scored by Akhil in the season 4. Now what is given here? Akhil score to be found. Now when the runs scored by Akhil in the season 4 included, then the percentage of the runs scored by Akhil in the season 1 will become 27. Now actually what is the Akhil value? Now I am assuming Akhil as a A. Now Akhil, what is a percentage of the score in a season 1? So season 1, the Akhil season 1 he scored 36%. So 1% is equal to 18. The product of these two numbers is 648. Now when this value 648 is calculated upon the total number means all the 3 seasons plus the 4th season score. Now 3 season score means 1800, 4th season I don't know, just I am assuming value as x. Now the 648 when calculated upon 1800 plus x, percentage value is given here as a 27. So what is the score of Anil in the season 4? When you simplify 27, it goes exactly 24 times. The product of these two numbers is 2400. Now 1800 plus x is equal to 2400. The value of x is 600. Means in the season 4, Anil scored runs 600. Now the right choice here, none of these, option 5. If the runs scored by Akhil in season 4 are 54, 6 by 11% less than those scored by Bhaskar in season 3, then the runs scored by Akhil in season 4 are what percent of the total runs scored by him in IPL? So what to find here? The runs scored by Akhil to be found in season 4. Now Akhil value. The value of Akhil means I am assuming Akhil as a and Bhaskar as a B. Now what is the Akhil value? Akhil value is Akhil value in the season 4. In the season 4, Akhil score is 54, 6 by 11% less than. So less than the score of the Bhaskar in the season 3. Now what about the season 3 value of Bhaskar? The value of the Bhaskar in season 3, it is 132 degrees. 132 degrees means now 132 into 6. So 1 degree value of the Bhaskar is a 6. So 132 into 6. Now this is the value of the runs scored by the Bhaskar in the season 3. But what about the Anil? Anil scored 54, 6 by 11% less than the Bhaskar. So what is the equivalent fractional value to this 54, 6 by 11? So this is a multiple of 1 by 11. So what is the 1 by 11? 9 1 by 11. So 9 1 by 11 into how much is results 554 6 by 11 means. So 9 into 6 results the value of 54 6 by 11. So 6 times of 6 times of the value means it is 54. So, what is the result here? 6 by 11. So, 6 by 11 is the equivalent fraction value of the 54, 6 by 11%. Now, it is less means 1 minus 6 by 11 results 5 by 11. We need to observe 5 by 11 of the Bhaskar. So, what is the Bhaskar score here? 132 into 6 is the Bhaskar score. Now, what is the Akhil score? It is a 5 by 11 of the Bhaskar score in season 3. Now, simplify results. Now, here it goes exactly 12 times. The product of these numbers is 360. Actually, total score of Anil in the first 3 seasons is 1800. Now, 4th season it is a 360. So, 1800 plus 360 results 2160. We need to observe the score of Anil upon the total score. What is that? 360 by 2160 into 100. Now, what is the cancellation? 36, exactly it goes 6 times. So, 1 by 6 means 16 2 by 3%. 16 2 by 3% means the right choice for this question, option 1. If the runs scored by the 2 players in season 4 are equal and the total runs scored by the 2 players in IPL is 4824, then the runs scored by Bhaskar in season 4 or approximately what percentage of those in season 2. Now, what about the total score given here? The total score of these 2 persons, 2 players, it is a 4824. It is the total score in all the 4 seasons. What is the condition given? The season 4 runs scored by the 2 players are same, equal. Now, what are the scores here? In the Akhil pie chart, if you observe the pie chart given for Akhil, it is a 1800 is the score. So, Akhil scored 1800 in the first 3 seasons. Similarly, Bhaskar scored 2160. Sum of these values is 3960. The first 3 seasons score is 3960. Actually, all the 4 seasons from the 2 players, it is 4824. The difference in these 2 values is the sum of the scores of these 2 players in the season 4. What is the difference here? 864. What is the condition given? The 2 players scored equal runs in season 4. Equal runs means we need to divide with 2. When you divide with 2, results the scores of each player. So, what is the score here? 432. The score of the Bhaskar as well as the Akhil in season 4, it is a 432. Now, what to find? The Bhaskar value upon the season 2 value of Bhaskar, percentage to be observed. So, Bhaskar value here is a 432, and what about the season 2 value? The season 2 value of the Bhaskar, it is a 106 degree. 106 degree means 1 degree is equal to 6. So, 106 degree means 106 into 6. Percentage means into 100. Simplify, results answer. Now, 6 it goes exactly how many times? 72 times. So, what is the further cancellation here? Now, we can cancel 2 36 times, 2 here 53 times. So, no further cancellation, just observe the calculation. Now, 53 means it is very close to 50. Now, what is the numerator value? 3600. If you observe the multiples of 50, 70 times of 50 is equal to 3500. But actually it is 53 is given. So, we need to observe 3 times of 70, it is a 210. So, 210 plus 3500 means 3710. The value is very close to this, means the answer is nearer to 70 but less than 70. Less than 70, nearer to 70, what is the correct option based on the given options? Here option 2 is satisfying the condition here. So, what is the right choice here? 68% choice is 2. If the average runs scored by Akhil and Bhaskar in 4 seasons together are 637 and 711 respectively, then what is the ratio of runs scored by Akhil in season 2 and 4 together to those scored by Bhaskar in the same seasons? So, what to find here? ratio to be observed, a ratio of the season 2 and 4 of Akhil with respect to Bhaskar. Now, what is given here? Average is given. What is the average of Akhil? The average of Akhil and the Bhaskar, if you observe, average of Akhil, it is a 637. What do you mean by average? Average is equal to sum of the observations by number of observations. So, what is the sum here? Sum we need to find. So, what is the average? 637 and the number of seasons is 4. Now, sum is equal to the product of these two numbers, means when you multiply with 4, the result is 2548. This is the total runs scored in all the 4 seasons by Akhil. Actually, in the first 3 seasons, what is the score of Akhil? It is a 1800. When you subtract 1800 from this, the result is 748. This is the score of Akhil in the season 4. What about the season 2 value of Akhil? The season 2 value of Akhil, the percentage value of the season 2, it is a 40%. So, 40% means 40 into the 1% value. What is the 1% value? It is 18. When you multiply these two, results 72, means 720. The sum of these two is the total score of Akhil in the season 2 and the season 4. The sum of these two, it is a 1468. Similarly, observe the Bhaskar value. Bhaskar value, what is the average here? The average is 711. So, 711 is the average, means what is the total? Same formula we need to apply. So, 711 is equal to sum by 4, means sum is equal to the product of 711 into 4. The value is, it is a 2844. Actually, in the first 3 seasons, the score of Bhaskar, it is a 2160. When you subtract 2160, the result is 684. Now, 684 is the score of Bhaskar in season 4. What about the season 2 value of the Bhaskar? The season 2 value of the Bhaskar, it is 106 degree. 1 degree is equal to 6. So, 106 degree means 106 into 6. The result is 636. Sum of these two values is the season 2 and 4 of Bhaskar. By adding these two, we get 1320. Now, what to observe? A ratio of these two numbers. Ratio of these two numbers to be find means just observe. What is the cancellation? Here these two numbers are multiples of 4. We can divide with 4 here. What is the cancellation? 4, it goes how many times? It is a 367 times. And what about the 4 here? It is a 330 times. So, what is the ratio? It is a 367 is to 330. The right choice option 3. The total runs scored in the first 2 seasons by Bhaskar exceeds those scored by Akhil by. Now, we need to observe the runs scored by Bhaskar is how much more than the runs scored by Akhil in the first 2 seasons. If you observe the Bhaskar value, the value of Bhaskar and the Akhil. So, what are the first 2 season values of Bhaskar here? The Bhaskar values are 122 degree, the season 1, and the season 2, it is a 106 degree. So, sum of these two values is a 228 degree. What is the 1 degree value? 1 degree value is a 6. So, multiply with the 6, results 1368. Similarly, observe the Akhil value. The Akhil value in season 1 and season 2. The season 1, it is a 36%, season 2, it is a 40%, sum of these two is a 76%. What is the 1% of Akhil? 1% is 18, hence multiply with 18. So, what is the product of these two numbers? It is a 1368. What to observe here? To exceed the Bhaskar value is more than that of Akhil by how much? Now, these two values are same. So, what is the difference here? There is no difference, means 0. What is the right option here? The option number 1.